Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received gifts from our friend from Blackwater and Bilena Cosmetics. Thank you so much for the gift, guys. So this is the Blackwater Women Desire Perfume Body Lotion with vitamin E, niacinamide, and sunscreen filter in a 600 ml bottle. So let me read their description of the product. An ultra moisturizing lotion enriched with skin-loving ingredients, Blackwater Women Desire Perfume Body Lotion has a lightweight formula that moisturizes, whitens, and nourishes your skin without the sticky feel. It contains vitamin E, which helps protect skin from damages, and niacinamide that lightens dark spots, whitens skin, and evens out skin tone. It comes with sunscreen filters too. So it's infused with our best-selling Desire fragrance oil that leaves your skin smelling fresh throughout the day. So for use, you apply and massage this lotion onto your skin. Use morning and evening or anytime your skin needs moisturizing. So, this is the first time I'm gonna use their lotion. Yeah, it's true. It does not have that lagkit feel or that sticky feel. And did you know that they also sent us the Blackwater Women Desire Deo Spray? So this Blackwater Women Deo Spray contains antibacterial ingredients that protect you from odor-causing bacteria while leaving a fresh and feminine scent. So this is a deo spray. Because this is antibacterial, you can use this in your underarm, or you can also use this in body parts which sweats a lot, so that you won't have to stink whenever you're already sweaty. So when you use both products, the Blackwater Women Desire Perfume Body Lotion, it helps prolong the smell of the Blackwater Women Desire Deo Spray. It's best to use both products at the same time. So thank you so much once again, our friends from Blackwater and Bilena, for the trust. Thank you so much, lovies, for your support and for watching this video. If you have any questions about these products, please do let me know by typing them down in the comment section. The suggested retail price of the lotion is 240 pesos. And the suggested retail price of the Deo Spray is 199 pesos. This is available in Blackwater, Shopee, and Lazada stores. It's also available at Bilena direct sales resellers nationwide. I wanted to point out again that this lotion is fast absorbent, so meaning it is softly absorbed by your skin. That's why it doesn't feel sticky or doesn't have that lagkit feeling.